top of something and try to get a panoramic sweep.
Yeah,
If you keep turning that thing on me today, it's going to get broke. I'm telling you.
Big dogs. You talking about right on me, and you talking about some big dogs off-roading right there. You got your trees. Got the lake. Beautiful sunrise. Nice brisk morning. Not too cold, but feels good. Clean sweet. Panoramic. Oh shit! God, that hit me right in the face.
We're in the Walmart. See, these rocks are wet. Yeah.
He made me the first one to pull a U-turn.
Hey, hey Bill, any input on this?
Shut up. Turn that thing on the truck. Hold up, hold up.
What we call it full keg.
You just film the fire, man?
The hell are you filming?
I don't think I can imagine John doing that.
Say something, Bill. The Dago Bill.
I'm gonna shoot out how many seconds.
I'll leave you alone, Tyler. I'll take you in the morning, though.
Funny. What are you doing?
You got anything to say?
No. Sound like a rapist, man. Are you gonna take a picture of the X-rated tent?
This is when it sucks because there's no more wood in the morning.
That's what I said about saving a little for the morning. That didn't go over well. It's all scavenged from around here. There ain't none around.